So first thing you do is take a peek underneath your tractor. So you can see this is the cracks right here in the drive belt. That's making noise. So if your drive belt has cracks in it like that, it's gonna last a little bit more, but in a year or two, it's gonna break right in two.
You're gonna take the mower deck off, so I got a video on that, but I'll show you quickly how to do it.
If it's a 42 inch, you can just remove the belt with your hand on the front pulley here, but the 48 inch and 54 inch, there's an idler with a spring, so you have to back off the idler. It's just a 15 mil wrench. Put it on the nut and just pull it clockwise, and you can take the belt off the front pulley. And there's two clips here, one here. And two more on the other side. There's one right here in front. Tractor in front here. Jack stands here. Put the jack stand in the back if you want. You got them. Alright, so these are the two idlers here. 15 mil. Let's back it off a little bit. That should slide like that. There's two ways of removing the belt up here. As you can tell, we can't slide it off this pulley. So you can take the bracket off by these two front bolts. Those two bolts hold the motor in the front. Or you can lower the PTO clutch. Socket, so I'm gonna remove the bracket since I got the power tool. Now you can slide the belt off. Okay, leave it like that for now. So to remove the belt off the transmission pulley, you're gonna have to back this off here, right here. So a 15 mil wrench and one flat at a time. This is going to take a while. Oh, finally came out. Put your belt between the fan blades here. That. And twist it. This. And it'll come out. You have to take your bracket off here for your PTO. Alright, swing around your PTO here till you see the wires on it. You have to unplug it. Oh, take a screwdriver underneath the clip here, pry it up and pull it out. There you go. And then the belt should just pop right down. The last step here, take a 19 mil wrench. I marked the shaft, the pinion, and the rack here, so I can put it back together, same spot. Put the nut back a little bit on it, and tap it. Right. Pull on the steering wheel there. Now you can pull your belt all out here. There you go. She's out. Now let's slide the belt over. On the pulley. Pull on the belt. Make sure it's around that pulley, then put the bolt on. Get the plug in your PTO wire back in. So put the sprocket in. It's gonna have to go in that little rubber insert right there. All right, stick it in there. There. Okay, I'm gonna slide my steering rod here. There you go. If your steering wheel's not straight, it's a good time to do it right now. Tap it in here. Make sure the belt is on this side of your shaft. All right, put the belt between the fan blades here. Twist it around. Put on the pulley. Then you can put the belt here. Now it's gonna be a little tricky. Put this pin in. You can see it from the mirror here. You can see where right there. A little back way will help with the mirror. Right there. Get it in. There you go. Yep. Tighten the front bolts there in the motor. That's good. Make sure you don't put this backwards, this facing up, it will rub on your PTO clutch. Alright, I'll put my wrench on the idler, give it some slack. Yep, perfect.
One more noise. Well, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.